Hello guys and welcome back. Khafi celebrates Gedoni on his birthday with beautiful video and heartwarming message. Today is Gedoni's birthday and the love of his life and fiancé Khafi made a video to celebrate, and it's just the cutest thing ever. You know we love it when we see lovebirds shower each other with love and adoration. Khafi took to her page not too long ago to share a video highlighting the lovely moment she spent with her fiancé Gedoni as she celebrates him on his birthday. The beautiful lady who got engaged to Gedoni late last year, when she said yes to his proposal, in a caption to the heartfelt video, thanked him for showing her the true meaning of love. The lovely video highlights their best and sad moments and how far their love has come since it emanated from the Big Brother house, and it's just the cutest thing ever. Sharing the video, she wrote, "Today is our birthday, yes, our birthday, because I am you and you are me. Your full name means God's blessing. I can't tell you how much that is what you are to me. I thank you for showing me the true meaning of love and loving every part of me, the good, the bad, and the parts no one else sees. Trying to put this all together in a video is just a fraction, but just know that I love you now and always. Happy birthday, my baby." That's Khafi's heartfelt message to Gedoni celebrating his birthday. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? If you're a fan of Gedoni and Khafi, please go to their social media accounts and wish them well. And also, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.